Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nah, my name is Arfani, student ID number 205118038. Do you know the process of digestion of food in humans? If you don't know, I will explain about the digestive process in humans. The digestive process starts in the mouth. When food starts to enter the mouth, the new mouth will sew the food into smaller pieces for easy digestion. Saliva also mixes with food to begin breaking it down into forms that the body can absorb and use. When swallowing, the tugas is in charge of putting food into the esophagus. The esophagus will receive food from the mouth and deliver food to the stomach. The stomach is often called a storage container because the function of the stomach is basically to store food while it is being mixed with digesting enzymes. The stomach will contain glandular cells that function as a producer of gastric juice. Then, the food gradually comes out into the duodenum, which is part of the small intestines. In the duodenum, it leads to pancreas, sac, and bile ducts because in the small intestine are fast. Protein and carbohydrate are resolved. Then, the food juice will be absorbed, and the food juice that are not absorbed will slowly move to the large intestine. In the large intestine, it will be responsible for processing the remaining waste from the digestive process. Water of phase is passed through the large intestine by means of peristalsis, first in a liquid state and finally in solid form. Because the body expels water, most of the water is absorbed back into the large intestine. The stool is then stored in the sigmoid intestine until there is an organ to empty it. Peristalsis will deposit the stool into the rectum once or twice a day until it is passed through the anus. The anus is the last part of the digestive tract. That's a brief explanation of the process of digestion of food. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.